Now we will see a shortcut method to draw the polar plot. Now this shortcut method is useful only when you don't have any zeros. It is there should be no zeros in the line. Okay. So for that, this will be very helpful when you don't have any zeros in the system. Okay, when you have the zeros, you need to follow the earlier method that we've seen. So this is real part, imaginary part. This is the real part and imaginary part. So here we will see the starting point. This is based on types of the system. This is the ending point. This is based on order of the system. So your order will tell you where it ends. Your type will tell you where it starts. So this is for type 0. This is for type 1. This is for type 2. And somewhere here, this is for type 3. So these are the different starting point for type 0 system, 1 system, 2 and type 3 system. Coming to the ending point, so the ending point is for order 1, for order 2, order 3 and for order. So these are the different terminating or ending point. So it will terminate like this if you have order 3. It will terminate like this if you have order 4. It will terminate like this if it is order 1. And it will terminate like this if it is order 2. Okay, now we will see for a few examples. If you have like, if the system is something like this, 1 divided by 1 plus st1. This is order 1 type 0. So then order 1 type 0. This is somewhere, this point is the starting point. So it will start and order 1 will terminate like this. So it will terminate like this. So this we have seen in the previous one. Next, if I have 1 divided by s into 1 plus st1. Now this is order 1 type 2, sorry, type 1 system. Then type 1 system will start from here, and this is, sorry, this is order 2 type 1 system. So type 1 system will start from here, and order 2 will eliminate somewhere here. You can see it is eliminating like this. So this is the plot for order 2 type 1 system. Similarly, if I have 1 divided by 1 plus st1, 1 plus st2. This is order 2 type 0 system. So then order 2 type 0 system. Type 0 system will again start from here, but it is order 2. So order 2 will be in this way. So your polar plot will be in this direction. To find out this point, you need to apply the previous method that we have followed. Okay, so from that method, we can get what is this point. Similarly, if I have 1 divided by 1 plus st1, 1 plus st2 into s. So type 1 order 3. In that case, it is, so type 1 will start somewhere here, Okay, and it is order 3. Order 3 will be terminating like this. So you should terminate like this. Similarly, if I have 1 divided by s square 1 plus st1, this is order 4 type 2. So order 4, sorry, we don't, yeah, order 4 type 2. So type 2 system will start somewhere at this point. The starting point is this, and it is order 4. Order 4 will be in this way. So this is the polar plot for order 4 type 2 system. So if only these things are given, then we can directly write the polar plot without having to do any calculation. But to get these points, the calculations are required. Thank you.